Hey guys, what is up today? We're gonna talk about, let's just say, for all you audio production professionals out there, we're gonna talk about Pro Tools Pulse. Pro Tools Pulse, I have actually downloaded it, so we're gonna show you where to get it. It is supported by Avid. Pro Tools Pulse is a free software of Pro Tools. It is not, I don't think it is a full version of Pro Tools. I don't think so, but I think it's more better than the original version that people have trouble with. For all you musicians out there, you guys definitely need to check this out. Alright? So yeah, let's get started right now. Video is for people who are musicians, artists, I don't know, famous musicians like Nick Jonas. I know he uses Pro Tools. I can tell he uses Pro Tools because, you know, when you take a photo of your Instagram and you see the software behind you, that's Pro Tools. I'm just saying. A lot of stars have used Pro Tools before. I don't think Katy Perry uses Pro Tools. I don't think so. I think she uses Logic. Demi Lovato, she has used Pro Tools, but for her Sorry Not Sorry, her hit song, Sorry Not Sorry, was not done on Pro Tools. It was done with Splice and Isotope, and it was, I believe it was Logic, because it kind of looked like Logic, because it did not look like Pro Tools. Pro Tools has nothing, I'm just saying. So, we are going to show you, I actually have Pro Tools Pulse on this computer. If you want, I will have a link in the description of avid.com/Pro Tools. This is not a paid sponsor with Avid whatsoever. All you have to do, there's a link in here. All you have to do is get it now. Pro Tools Pulse. If you want the full version with 128 tracks with Pro Tools, it will cost you a lot of money. And if you want the ultimate version, 256 audio tracks, it will cost you a whole lot of money. So we're going to do the easy route is get the free version, which is Pro Tools Pulse. Many audio professionals probably has never heard of this before. I have discovered this on the Avid website, and I said, what's Pro Tools Pulse? This looks kind of interesting. So, all you do is click this, and in my last video, me and Composer, they will have a 3 step-by-step guide. You have to sign up with your account, and then they send you the software, and then you download the software, which I believe Pro Tools is the exact same time frame as Media Composer. Yes. So we are going to just open, I'm just going to minimize this, and I'm just going to open the Pro Tools first. So that's going to import. So this is what it looks like. Your project setup. It's going to do this. And it's just like Pro Tools. You have this over here in audio suites. Pitch shift, reverb, modulate, duplicates, others, DC, offset, removal, duplicate, gain, invert, normalize, reverse, signal generator. It's been a while that I have used this. Constant, linear, under tempo, operations under the event. Select split notes. I do not even want to know, and I'm not going to use that. Elastic properties, identify sync points. For this thing, I'm going to add a D-reverb on this because it might work for D-reverb. And I heard it the other day, and I said, this is perfect for reverb. So I'm just gonna bump up the sound just a little bit. because I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. I mainly do videos, so forgive my expertise on audio. I should have a person who is very expert in audio, because I don't know what I'm doing. Basically, I don't know anything about audio. I mainly do photography and videos, so I'm just saying. As you know, I have a little vocal plate. Well, if you're doing vocals, you have a plate. Oh wow, ambience. Okay, I'm gonna use ambience on this one. So I'm gonna play back this. And you know how Audition is. They always have this set up. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna highlight that and that, and I'm gonna play this audio track. So yeah, that is what it is. So that is Audition. Not Audition. I mean Pro Tools first. I will have a link in the description for the free download on the Avid website. You have to sign up for an Avid account. It's a free account. You don't have to pay. It's not like Premiere. You have to pay monthly and all this other crap, or yearly, whatever. So that is what it is. That's how Avid usually works. They have the reverb, yeah. So that is pretty much it for that. If you are an Avid person and you like Pro Tools, I'm gonna save this track. I'm gonna save that. I hope that's okay, so yeah, that is pretty much it. Make sure to subscribe for many videos like this, and make sure you follow me all over the internet at Sammy's Live. And yeah, that is what it is with Avid. So subscribe for more videos, and I will have a link in the description if you are interested in downloading this free software of Pro Tools first. I would recommend, because if you're into music and if you're into audio, I would recommend starting in Pro Tools. Because Audition is mainly as an advanced startup product. It's mainly advanced. So I have had audio production classes before. I have had Audio 1. And I know a little bit of sound, but I'm not into audio. I'm more into video. I have used audio in my videos, like voiceovers and sound effects, but I mainly use video editing. So honestly, you can bring video into Pro Tools. Honestly, you can. You can edit video as what's that called? I believe it's called Great, now I have a audio for video. That's what it's called. As you know, in Audition, there's a little button up there that says audio for video, and you need to edit a video of the audio part to make sure the sound sounds awesome and sounds professional and doesn't have any rumbling noises in the background. That's what it is. I would definitely recommend Pro Tools first if you're a beginner. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will have a link in the description for this. And make sure you follow me all moments of Sammy's Live.